today. Wonder what it will be. Biscuits, muffins, rolls, sweet bread. Will it be made in bread machine or in a pan in the oven?
Hello, it's been a minute since we did the bread machine recipes. Let's get back into that. I am using the same cookbook. I got 3/8 cup of milk. I'm going to add 1 egg to that. And then I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of canned sweet potatoes, chopped up. Like I said, I'm adding 1/4. So to this, we're going to add 2 cups of flour. A teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. To our I am what I am bread. So you know the rest of it. I did put the crust color light, and then we're gonna do it. And there we go. May have to add a little bit of moisture. If you have a certain brand, you're supposed to add about 1 tablespoon more of milk. And if I need to do that, I will do that.